Okay, sir.
Okay. So, good morning once again, all of you, dear students. Welcome back, and teachers of mathematics department and principals from various model schools. Today, in the second section, once again, we are having a lesson from Mr. Sanjeev Kumar, PGT Mathematics, Shankarampetar. Today's back on Friday. Also, we had a session from sir. It was very excellent. In that class, he introduced about the circles. Now he is going to continue with the same topic. Circles from the mathematics 2B. So any doubts after the end of the session, you may put in the chat box so that we can take it to the notice of the sir. And regarding the students of the CEC and BIPC, you need not worry. Very soon, within 1 or 2 days, from 8th, we will be having botany class, and from most probably from tomorrow, we will be having a commerce class also. So all the 4 streams, sorry, MPC, BIPC, CEC, MEC, all the streams will be covered through these model school YouTube channel webinars. Now I request Mr. Sanjeev Kumar to continue from where we ended on Friday. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for introducing. So, good morning, children. Last class, we started with the circles. Hope you all had noted the contents and you are maintaining the notes. And also see that you try to solve problems from the exercise given. Right? So what exactly you have done in the last class? So just recall it. We have defined what exactly is circle. Circle is a set of points which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. And the fixed point is called as center, and the distance is called as radius. Then we have taken the equation of circle whose center is 0, 0 and radius is r as x square plus y square is equal to r square. Then you have taken equation of circle whose center is h, k, radius as r, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Then we have taken the standard equation of circle, which you usually take it as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f5 plus c is equal to 0, where g, f, c are unknowns or real numbers. Then we have defined, we have discussed what exactly is center and what is radius. So center is minus g minus f, and radius is given as square root of g square plus f square minus c for the standard equation of circle. Then we discussed what exactly is the x-intercept, 2 times square root of g square minus c, and what exactly is the y-intercept, 2 times square root of f square minus c. Then we discussed about what are concentric circles. So circles having same center but different radii, you are calling it as concentric circles. So let us enter the today's class. Now we discuss about what exactly is secant, chord, and diameter. So whenever you take a circle and a line, if the line cuts a circle, the line is what is called as secant, right? And if at all you're talking about the line segment cutting the circle, you called as chord, and the chord which passes through the center is what is called as diameter. So if A and B are 2 points, 2 distinct points on circle, then the line AB is called as secant. The line segment AB is called chord, and the chord which passes through the center, this is what is called as diameter. You can say simply the line AB as length of the chord, length of the diameter, depending on what you require. So if at all you put a bar, it is always a line or line segment. Now we take up the equation of circle when the extremities of diameter are given. So what do you mean by extremities? See that these 2 points are extreme points of the diameter. It is passing through the center. So if you call the first point as A and second point as B, so these A and B are called as extremities of the diameter. So you just mark A as x1, y1 and B as x2, y2. So equation of this circle, when these 2 points are given, the point A and point B are given, is given as x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So equation of circle whose extremities of diameter are given as a x1 y1 and b x2 y2, then the circle equation is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2. Is it clear? So x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2, where x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the extreme points of the diameter AB. So let us take a problem or exercise based on this. So all the exercise problems which I have taken here, they are from the textbook. So you see that find the equation of circle whose extremities of the diameter are given as 1, 2 and 4, 5. So the first point is 1, 2, second point is 4, 5. So what is given the problem here? So A is given as 1, 2. So you are calling A as x1, y1, and second point B, x2, y2 as 4, 5. Now, what should be the equation of circle if diameter extremities are given? Yes, it is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Now, what is the value of x1, y1 and what is the value of x2, y2 is here? The first value is x1, second value is y1. So it is x1, y1. This is what is x2, y2. So x1 value is 1, y1 value is 2, x2 value is 4, y2 value is 5. So substitute it. So we get the equation as x minus 1 into x minus 4 plus y minus 2 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now you have got two terms here. You can multiply these two terms. So you get x into x, x square minus 4 into x, 4x minus x plus 4. Likewise, y square minus 5y minus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0. So you collect all the like terms. So you get the first term is x square. Next you get y square minus 4x minus x is minus 5x. So x square minus 5x plus 4, y square minus 7y plus 10 is equal to 0. Rearrange them. You get the equation as x square plus y square minus 5x minus 7y plus 4 plus 10 is 14 is equal to 0. So the equation of circle is given like this when the extremities of diameter are given. So students, have you followed this problem here? So it can be asked for a 2 marks in the examination. So based on this, I have given some practice. It is again from the textbook, exercise 1C, first section, question number 12. Find the equation of circle whose extremities of diameter are given as 1, 2 and 4, 6, minus 4, 3 and 3, minus 4. Likewise, 1, 2, 8, 6, 4, 2 and 1, 5. So quickly make a note on the exercise, or you can take the snapshot. If at all you're seeing through the mobile, you can take a snapshot after just rerunning the entire video. Now we'll go for the next problem. Find other end of the circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 8y plus 27 is equal to 0. Other end of the diameter of the circle if one end of it is 2, 3. So you got a diameter, and in the diameter, one end of the diameter is given as 2, 3. You are going to find the other end of the diameter. So what is given? Equation of circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 8y plus 27 is equal to 0. Now, so here, when you just compare with the standard equation, the standard equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx. So 2g value is minus 8, and next term is 2fy. 2fy is minus 8 and c value is 27. So you can write g value as minus 4 and f value as minus 4. So center, we already know that it is minus g minus f. So you can say the center is going to be 4, 4. So you got center as 4, 4. Now see here, You got one of the end as 2, 3, as I said. Other end, we don't know. So we call the other end as B with the elements as A, B. So you're going to find the values of A and B. And what is this is what is center. So center is given as 4, 4. So you have found out center, that I put it here. Now, you see that this is a diameter. And what is center? So what exactly, where exactly the center lies in the diameter? Okay, so B, A, B, the other extreme of the diameter with one end as A, 2, 3. Then what is center? Center is always midpoint of diameter AB. So how to find midpoint? You got a formula x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So this you have learned in your first year. So the value of x1 and x2 are known. One of the value is not known. You are going to find out. Likewise, y1 value is not known. Y1 value is known and y2 value is not known. So you can see that midpoint is center. Center is 4, 4. X1 value is 2 here. X2 value you have taken it as A. 2 plus A by 2. Likewise, 3 plus B by 2. So 2 points are equal. So it means that the corresponding X values and corresponding Y value should be equal. So we can say 4 is equal to 2 plus A by 2. Likewise, 4 is equal to 3 plus B by 2. So you can write cross multiplication. So A plus 2 is equal to 4 into 2, 8. 3 plus B is equal to 4 into 2, 8. So you can rearrange and get the value of A as 8 minus 2, which is 6. 8 minus 3, which is 5. So A is 6 and B is 5. So you can say the other end of the diameter is 6, 5. So if at all you know one of the point, you can easily find the second point. Now we're going to discuss the next form of the circle, the equation of circle, which is given in the parametric form. So what exactly is parametric form? The parametric form is the form in terms of r and theta here. So you see that you take a circle with center as h, k and radius as r. Now I have taken a circle whose center is h, k and radius is r. Now on the circle you have taken a point which I called as x, y. Now we take a reference as origins with the x-axis and y-axis both meeting at origin. Now from this P, if you drop a perpendicular onto the x-axis, so PM is perpendicular to x-axis. From this point C also, if you drop a perpendicular on x-axis, you get CD. And this perpendicular which you have taken PM meets this x dash axis at a point N. So we just try to name them. So OM, what is OM? The distance from the center, from the origin to the point M which you have marked is x we have taken because this value is x here. Likewise, distance PM, the vertical distance is y, right? Now, if you take distance OD, distance from O to D, it is the x value here, the x value is h, the distance CD is y, and the distance CP is r. So you got OM is equal to x, OM is equal to x, PM is equal to y, OD is equal to h, CD is equal to y, and CP is equal to r from the figure. Now, we try to take this triangle here, PCN. In this triangle PCN, if you are not able to see, just try to zoom it. You can see it a little bigger one, right? Now, PCN is a right angle triangle. Do you agree with it? In this right angle triangle, now you got a OM as x, then PM as y, OD as h, and CD as y, and CP as r. So these are the assumptions which you made. Okay. Now you take a right angle triangle here. In this right angle triangle, with angle as theta here, this is going to be opposite sides. Pn is going to be the opposite side to the angle theta. Cn is going to be the adjacent side. And what is Cp? It is a hypotenuse. So in this right angle triangle, with respect to this theta, with this position here, cos theta. What is cos theta here? It is adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side here? It is Cn. And what is hypotenuse? Cp. So cos theta is equal to Cn by Cp. Understood, children? Now what is Cn? Now, because you see this as a rectangle here, the Cn value should be same as dm value. Is not so? Opposite sides of a rectangle are always equal. So Cn should be always equal to dm. Right? So to get dm value. So dm value you can write as OM value minus OD value. So if at all you want to get this distance, you find this distance and remove this distance. So dm is going to be OM minus OD. So what is OM you have assumed as X. And what is OD you assumed as H. And what is CP you have taken it as R. So the cos theta value is X minus H divided by R. Likewise, when you take sine is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. Now, which is the opposite side here? Pn is the opposite side. Hypotenuse is Cp. So opposite by hypotenuse is sine. So sine theta is equal to Pn divided by Cp. Now, Pn you can write as Pm minus Cd. You can write Pn as Pm minus Nm. It's not so. But Nm is same as Cd. So it is Pm minus Cd divided by Cp. Understood here? Now sin theta is nothing but Pn divided by Cp. Opposite by hypotenuse. But Pn is same as P. Okay, so Pn is nothing but Pm minus Cd. Pm minus Cd. So Pm minus Cd divided by Cp. So you can say that Pm value is Y and Cd value is K. It is K, right? Divide by R. So Y minus K divided by R. So the value of cos theta is given as X minus H by R, and the value of sin theta is given as Y minus K by R. Now, when you take this cross multiplication, X minus H by R is equal to cos theta. So we can write X minus H is equal to R into cos theta. And Y minus K by R is equal to sin theta. So you can write Y minus K is equal to R into sin theta. So bring this H other side and K other side. So we get the equation as X is equal to H plus R cos theta, Y is equal to K plus R sin theta. So this is what is the equation of circle. X is equal to H plus R cos theta, Y is equal to K plus R sin theta. Now what exactly is the value of theta you can take? You can take all the values from 0 to 2 pi. Now why 2 pi is not included? Because 0 is already included. So to complete the cycle, so you can take the position anywhere on this plane. The equation is given as H plus R cos theta, Y is equal to K plus R sin theta. Now, if you have got the center as 0, 0, if the center is 0, 0 instead of H, K, so the value of H is going to be 0, the value of K is going to be 0. So you can say X is equal to R cos theta, Y is equal to R sin theta. So equation of a circle whose center is 0, 0 in parametric form, who is given as X is equal to R cos theta, Y is equal to R sin theta, where theta lies between 0 and 2 pi. So try to carefully follow this. So you have to remember this equation: x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. Okay, so let us take an example based on the previous version. So obtain the parametric equation of each of the following circles. So the first circle we have taken is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to r square. So what is given here? We know that this equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square is the equation of circle. So what is given equation of circle? X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to r square. So the value of h is 3 and value of k is 4. So the center is 3 and 4 and radius is given as r. R is given as 8. So center is 3, 4 and radius is 8. So equation of circle is x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. So what is the value of h here? 3 and the r value is 8. So we can write the answer as x is equal to 3 plus 8 cos theta, y is equal to 4 plus 8 sin theta. Again, the value of theta lies between 2 and 0 and 2 pi. Now take second equation. So what is given before second equation? So center is given as h comma k, 3 comma 4, radius is given as 8. So the formula is x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. So the value of h is 3, the value of k is 4, and the value of r is 8. So x is equal to 3 plus 8 cos theta, y is equal to 4 plus 8 sin theta. So let us take the second problem here. So what is second problem here? Given as x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is standard equation, is not so. So once it is standard equation, how to find the center? So first of all, you are going to compare this equation with the standard equation. So what is standard equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So what is the value of 2g here? Minus 4. Then you got 2f is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to minus 12. So you can have g value as minus 2, f value as minus 3 and c is equal to minus 12. So you have got center as minus g minus f, but this equation you have to write in terms of h and k. So you are going to write center is equal to h comma k is equal to 2 comma 3. So both minus g minus f is center, h comma k is also center. So we are going to convert into the form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So that reason the h value is 2 and the value of k is 3. So you can say x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. So what is the value of r here? To get the value of r, we have got a formula root over g square plus f square minus c. So g value is minus 2, f value is minus 3. So minus 2 whole square plus minus 3 whole square minus c value is minus 12. So we get 4 plus 9 plus 12. So 4 plus 9 is 13, 13 plus 12 is 25, square root of 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So you can replace the value of r with 5, the h comma k with 2 and 3's. So we can write the equation as x is equal to 2 plus 5 cos theta, y is equal to 3 plus 5 sin theta. Again, the value of theta lies between 0 and 2 pi. So this is one of the 2 marks question which you can expect in the examination, whether straight away the center is given, center and radius are given, or you have to get the center and radius and hence write the equation of circle in parametric form. So always remember that you are not writing in terms of g and f, you are going to write in terms of h and k. So you write this g h comma k is equal to 2 comma 3. Now, so we go for the next format of the circle. Equation of circle passing through 3 non-collinear points. So what do you mean by non-collinear points? So whenever you got 3 points lying on the same straight line, right? Then you say the points as collinear points. If collinear, same line. So 3 points are said to be collinear if they are lying on the same line. Now, when you say non-collinear, it is reverse. So the 3 points are not lying on the same line. So with this, you can form an equation of circle. So you take and see here, you got a circle here. So P, Q, R are not lying in a same straight line. So you're forming a circle here, P, Q, R as a points on the circle. So what is that you're going to do is you're going to find the equation of circle if you know the value of P, the value of Q, and the value of R. So let P x1 y1, Q x2 y2, and R x3 y3. So this point you call it like as x1 y1, this as x2 y2, this as x3 y3. So they are not collinear, they are like on the circle. Now, so how is it you going to form the equation of circle? The first step you going to is write the equation of standard equation of circle. So what is standard equation of circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c is equal to 0. Now there are 3 points on the circle. So first point is P, second point is Q, and third point is R. So whenever the points are lying on the circle, it means that this point should satisfy the equation of circle. Likewise, second point Q should satisfy the equation of circle, and third point R should satisfy the equation of circle. So first substitute the values of P, Q, R in equation 1. So when you substitute the values of P, Q, R in equation 1, you are going to get 3 equations in terms of G, F, C. So the first equation by substituting the point P, second equation by substituting the point Q, and third equation by substituting the point R. So you have got 3 unknowns, G, F, C. So for that, you have to have 3 equations. 3 equations, 3 unknowns, or 3 unknowns, 3 equations. So you're going to just substitute and you get 3 equations in terms of GFC. Solve the 3 equations, you get the values of C, G value, F value, and C value. So all these 3 values you're going to get. So once you get the value of GFC values, this GFC values substitute back in the equation 1, we get the equation of the circle. So the method is simple. Whenever you got equation of circle, general equation of circle you are going to take, then substitute the points P, Q, R in the equation of circle. You are going to get 3 equations in terms of G, F, and C. Solve the 3 equations, you get the values of G, F, C. So once you get the value of GFC, substitute back the value of GFC in the equation 1. So this is a very one area of question which can be asked frequently in the examination. Many number of times this is asked. Very, very important model of the question. Okay. Now we try to practice this once you just complete this slide. Okay. Now instead of 3 points, you got 4 points. Say P, Q, R, S. So these 4 points, you can say that they are concyclic. So what do you mean by concyclic? All the 4 points are lying on the same circle. So how to get, how to know that the 4 points are lying on same circle? Form an equation of circle with these 3, any 3 points you take. If at all I take the points as P, Q, R, form an equation of circle with P, Q, R. There is a 4th point, isn't it so? So the 4th point you substitute in the answer, you get the equation satisfied. So find equation of circle with 3 points. First condition, if the 4th point satisfies the equation, then the points are concyclic. So this model of problem is very, very important. Make a note and try to practice this model of problem a lot. So let us go to the first problem, first exercise. Find the equation of circle passing through the points. So there are 3 points given. What is the first point? P 1, 1, second point Q 2, -1, third point R 3, 2. So what is the first step you are going to take? You are going to take the general equation of circle or standard equation of circle. So what is standard equation of circle? Yes, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is what is the equation 1. So what you have to do here, you are going to substitute all these 3 points in the equation of circle. So let us substitute the first point. So the first point is 1, 1. So P1, 1 lies on the circle. So when I put x value as 1, y value as 1 in the equation, you get 1 square plus 1 square plus 2g into 1 . Okay, it is x square plus y square. 1 second, so x value is 1, y value is 1. So 1 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 1 plus c is equal to 0. So what is 1 square? It is 1. 1 square, 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 plus 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. This you call as equation number 2. Now take second point. What is second point here? Q 2 comma minus 1. So 2 comma minus 1 lies on circle. So we can say in place of x, 2, in place of y, minus 1. So 2 square plus minus 1 square plus 2g into 2 plus 2f into minus 1 plus c is equal to 0. So when you substitute here, what you get is 2 square is 4, minus 1 square is 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5, 2 into 2 is 4, 4g minus 2f plus c is equal to 0. Now take the third point. What is third point here? 3 comma 2. So substitute 3 comma 2 on the equation of circle. So you get 3 square plus 2 square plus 2g into 3 plus 2f into 2 plus c is equal to 0. So the equation you get is 13 plus 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. So 9 plus 4 here, 13. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. So 9 plus 4 is 13. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 2 is 4. So 13 plus 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. Now you got 3 equations. The 3 equations is having g, f, c. So you need to solve these 3 equations. So you need to solve the equations 2, 3, 4. If at all you want to get the values of g, f, c. So make a note of this equation 2, equation 3, equation 4 because you have to use this in the next slide. 2 plus 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. 5 plus 4g minus 2f plus c is equal to 0. 13 plus 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now, so what is it? We got equation 3 and equation C. First, you have taken equation 3 minus equation 2. So what is equation 3 here? 5 plus 4g minus 2f plus c is equal to 0. Now what is equation 2? It was 2 plus 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. See the plus sign here. 2. No sign is there means always positive here. So 2 plus 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. So you are subtracting here. So once you subtract, you are going to change the sign. So plus will change to minus, plus will change to minus, plus will change to minus, and plus will change to minus. So what you get is you got here minus 2f and minus 2f. And you got plus c and minus c here. After change of sign, you got plus c and minus c. So the c will go off. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 4g minus 2g is 2g. Minus 2f is minus 4f. C minus c is 0. So it is, so 3 plus 2g minus 4f is equal to 0. This is what is the equation number 5. Now, likewise, you take equation 4 minus equation 3. So equation 4 was 13 plus 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. Now, what is equation number 3 here? You see here, it is 5 plus 4g minus 2f. 5 plus 4g minus 2f plus c is equal to 0. So 5 plus 4g minus 2f plus c is equal to 0. Now, because you're going to subtract here, so I'm going to change the sign here. So instead of plus, you're going to put a minus. Instead of plus, you're going to put a minus. Instead of minus, you're going to put a plus. Instead of plus, you're going to put a minus. So these two will cancel off. These two will cancel off. These two will cancel off, and you get 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. 6g minus 4g is 2g. 4f plus 2f is 6f, and c are going to get cancelled. So you got the equation 6 as 8 plus 2g plus 6f is equal to 0. So now you see that what happened in the earlier version, equation 2, equation 3, equation 4 had c's. So you have eliminated c from the 3 equations, and you got now only 2 equations. You got only 2 equations. Keep your cell phones in a horizontal mode so that you can see the entire screen. If you put it in a vertical mode, you cannot see the screen. Okay, so change the mode of seeing from horizontal in vertical mode to the horizontal mode. Adanga pettukovali, iloga pettukodu. Okay. Okay. Now you got equation 5 and equation 6. So what is it you observed in equation 5 and equation 6? There are no constants, no c's. So in these 2 equations you got in terms of g and f. So these 2 equations have to be solved. So solving equation 5 and equation 6. So I wrote equation 6 first. It was 8 plus 2g plus 6f is equal to 0. Next, equation 5, 3 plus 2g minus 4f is equal to 0. So you see that there is a plus ug and plus 2g, same sign is there. So once you got same sign, you can change the sign and you can go for subtraction. So I gone for subtraction here. Instead of plus, you put a minus. So what I have done is equation 6 minus equation 5 you have done. 6 minus 5. So it all depends on how you're going to solve it. You have to just follow different methods in solving. It is up to you to solve. So you can take equation 6 minus equation 5 or any other step. So here I have taken equation 6 minus equation 5. You got instead of plus, I put a minus sign. Now instead of plus, you got a minus sign. Instead of minus sign, you have to put a plus sign. So what do you observe? It is 2g minus 2g. So these two will cancel off. Now it is 8 minus 3. What is 8 minus 3? 5. And 6 minus become plus. So 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. So it is 5 plus 10f is equal to 0. So you can write 10f is equal to minus 5 is not so. So what is the value of f? Minus 5 divided by 10. So what is minus 5 by 10? Minus 5 by 10 is minus 1 by 2. Minus 5 by 10 is minus 1 by 2. So you put the value of f in equation 5. So f value minus 5 by 10 you can simplify as 1 by 2. So it is 3 plus 2g minus 4 into f value is minus 1 by 2. When you put the value of f as minus 1 by 2 and simplify, you get 2g plus 5 is equal to 0. Right? So 2g plus 5 is equal to 0 means 2g is equal to minus 5. 5 goes aside. So g is equal to minus 5 by 2. So f value is minus 1 by 2. G value is f value is minus 1 by 2 and g value is minus 5 by 2. So this g and f values substitute in the equation number 2. So you see what is equation number 2? Equation number 2 was 2 plus 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so you can see the sign ignore here. 2 plus 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0 was equation number 2 in the previous slide. So put the value of g and f in equation 2. We get 2 plus g value is minus 5 by 2 and f value is minus 1 by 2 plus c is equal to 0. When you simplify this, you get the value of c as 4. So you got the value of g, you got the value of f, now you got the value of c. So substitute in the equation of circle. What you get is x square plus y square plus 2gx. So 2 into minus 5 by 2 is minus 5x 2f. So 2 into minus 1 by 2, so minus y, plus c is equal to 0, right? So the working model is lengthier, but you need to practice. Once you practice it, it becomes very easier. So this is a standard procedure of solving a equation of circle when 3 points are given. So once again, I explain here. So you got 3 points, 1 comma 1, 2 comma minus 1, and 3 comma 2. So you take an equation of circle as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Substitute the first point, you got equation 2. Substitute the second point, you got equation 3. Substitute the third point, you got equation number 4. So you have to substitute these 3 points in getting the 3 equations in terms of g, f, c. So you have to first of all eliminate one of the unknowns. So there are 3 unknowns here. So 3 unknowns, one of the unknown you are going to eliminate. So for that you have to solve 3, 2, 3, 4. So how you have solved it? You have taken equation 3 minus equation 2. We got 2 equations. So 3 plus 2g minus 4f is equal to 0. 8 plus 2g plus 6f is equal to 0. Now you did solve these 2 equations, 5 and 6. You get the value of g and f. G and f. First you get the value of f, then you get the value of g. After getting the value of g and f, substitute the value of g and f in any of the 3 equations. We can take any of the 3 equations. I have taken the second equation, 2 plus 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. Substitute g value and f value, you get the value of c. So hence, you get the answer of equation of circle. You need to do a lot of practice on this model of problems. It's very, very important for a 7 marks IP examination, 7 marks question. So how is it you practice it? I have given some problems here. You can make a note of it. 3 points, 4 points, 4 problems I have given. The first point, have a note. Okay, so let us take the next problem from this model. So here you got 4 points. One is 1 comma 1, second is minus 6 comma 0, third is minus 2 comma 2, and fourth is minus 2 comma minus 8. So you have to show that these 4 points are lying on the same circle, right? So that the 4 points 1 comma 1, minus 6 comma 0, minus 2 comma 2, and minus 2 comma minus 8 are concyclic. So they are lying on the same circle. You have to show. And you are going to find the equation of circle on which they lie. So how is it you proceed here? You take any of the 3 points of the 4 points. Then form an equation of circle. You'll get the second answer. Then you have to check whether they are concyclic or not. Substitute the 4th point. You are not use this 4th point here. So this point you substitute in the answer, whatever you get. If it is satisfying, then you say the 4 points are concyclic. So the first step is let P 1 comma 1, Q minus 6 comma 0, R minus 2 comma 2, and S minus 2 comma minus 8 be the 4 points. You have taken 4 points, P, Q, R, S in any order. Okay. Now you take general equation of circle or standard equation of circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c is equal to 0. The next step is substitute the first point. What is the first point here? 1 comma 1. So when you substitute the x value as 1 and y value as 1, you get 1 square plus 1 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 1 plus c is equal to 0. So x value is 1 and y value is 1. So 1 square plus 1 square is 2. So you get the answer as 2 plus 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. This is what is the equation number 2. By substituting the point 1 comma 1. I am not saying this 1 comma 1 is straight away point. Just checking whether these points are. So that reason I put a point, put P 1 comma 1 in the equation. We are just verifying it and forming a circle. So 2 plus 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0 is a equation number 2. Next, take second point. So what is second point? Minus 6 comma 0. So put x is equal to minus 6 and y is equal to 0. So what is going to happen? Minus 6 whole square plus 0 square plus 2g into minus 6 plus 2f into 0 plus c is equal to 0. Substitute here. Minus 6 whole square is 36. 2 into minus 6 is minus 12 plus c is equal to 0. Now third point you take. What is third point? Minus 2 comma 2. So minus 2 whole square plus 2 square plus 2g into minus 2 plus 2f into 2 plus c is equal to 0. Right? So 4 minus 2 square is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus 4g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. So we got three more equations, equation 2, equation 3, equation 4 in terms of g, f and c. Now the question is, why you take only these 3 points? Why can't you take other 3 points? It is up to you. So you can take the first point as minus 6 comma 0, second point as minus 2 comma 2, third point as minus 2 comma 8, or any other order you can take, right? So it is not very important which order you take. You take any of the 3 points. Just follow the order which is given. So first point I have taken as P, and second point I have taken here Q, and third point I have taken as R, and substitute the points. So you can change the order and put any point and get an equation. Solve the 3 equations. So what are the 3 equations here? 2, 3, and 4. So remember the 3 equations. 2 plus 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. Third equation, 36 minus 12g plus c is equal to 0. 8 minus 4g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. So once you solve these 3 equations, how to solve this? Yeah. So the first step you have taken is, first step you have taken is equation 3 minus equation 2, 36 minus 12g plus, there was no f in the equation 3. So to balance it, you have taken it as 0f. It's only just have the alignment. So the first term is 36 minus 12g plus c. So we introduce some 0f, because 0f is always 0. So it is not going to disturb you. Next, 2 plus 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. Because you are going to subtract here. Why you are going to subtract? Because I want to cancel the c's. So you want to cancel the c's here. It is 36 minus 2, 34. Then minus 12, minus 2 is minus 14. And 0 minus 2. So it is minus 2f is equal to 0. C and c got cancelled. So we got the first equation number 5. Likewise, you have to solve equation 2 and equation 4. It is again your choice. You can choose any 2 equations. I have taken equation 4 minus equation 2. So equation 4 is 8 minus 4g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. Equation 2 is again same term here. 2 plus 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. Because you are subtracting here, you are going to change the sign. Plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, and plus becomes minus here. So add these 2 terms. C and minus c will cancel off. 8 plus 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. And 4f minus 2f is 2f. So 6 minus 6g plus 2f is equal to 0. So what is it you observed? The equation 2, equation 3, equation 4, when you solved, you got the c eliminated from the 3 equations. Now you got equation in terms of g and f only. So these 2 equations again has to be solved. So solving equation 5 and equation 6. So I have taken equation 5 first. 34 minus 14g minus 2f is equal to 0. Equation 6, 6 minus 6g plus 2f is equal to 0. Now here you observe that f value minus 2f and plus 2f. So no need of subtracting, straight away you can add here. So minus 2f plus 2f goes off. You get only the sum here. 34 plus 6 is 40, minus 14 minus 6 is minus 20g. So 40 minus 20g, f has gone is equal to 0. So you can write 20g is equal to 40. So the value of g is 40 by 20. 40 by 20 is 2. So you got the value of G. So the first value you got. Next, you're going to put, you're going to find the value of F. So you take equation 5 or equation 6, put the value of G in that. So I have taken the value of G as 2 in equation 6. What is equation 6? 6 minus 6G plus 2F is equal to 0. So G value what you got? 2. So 6 minus 6 into 2 plus 2F is equal to 0. So the 2F value is 6. So F value is 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. So you got the value of G, you got the value of F. Now you're going to put the value of G and F in any of the second equation, third equation, or fourth equation. So I have chosen second equation. Second equation was 2 plus 2G plus 2F plus C is equal to 0. So put G value as 2 and F value as 3 in equation 2. So we get 2 plus 2 into G value is 2, F value is 3 plus C is equal to 0. So 2 plus 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3 is 6. So 2 plus 4 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus C is equal to 0. So the value of C is minus 12. Now you got the value of GFC. Substitute the value of GFC in the equation of circle. So it is x square plus y square plus 2G. So G is 2. So 2G is going to be 4x. 2F. So 2 into 3 is 6 minus C. Minus 12 plus C is equal to 0. So C value is minus 12. So x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0 is a required equation of circle. So you got the equation of circle. Now the problem is not only the finding the equation of circle. You are going to show that the 4 points are concyclic. So to show the 4 points are concyclic, you are not touched the 4th point till now. What is this 4th point? The 4th point was minus 2, minus 8. Substitute the 4th point in the equation of circle. X place minus 2, y place minus 8. When you substitute here, minus 2 whole square plus minus 8 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 6 into minus 8 minus 12. So this is 4, this is 64 minus 8 minus 48 minus 12. So 4 plus 64 is 68. 68 minus 68 is 0. So once you got the value as 0, it means that this point, yes, satisfies the equation of circle. So it means that S minus 2 minus 8 satisfies equation 7. What is equation 7? The circle equation which you have taken. So once it is satisfied, 4th point also is lying on the same circle. So have you followed this? So to show that 4 points are concyclic, so you've taken the 4 points and you've taken the equation of circle as standard equation of circle, substituted the first point, second point, third point. You got 3 equations, equation 2, equation 3 and equation 4. Next, you have to solve the equation 2, equation 3, equation 4 in different ways, and you got equation number 5 and equation number 6. So you eliminated C first. Then you solved equation 5 and equation 6. You have got the value of G first. So after getting the value of G, you get the value of F by substituting any one of the equation I have chosen, equation 6. Then after getting the value of G and F, substitute the value of G and F in any of the equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. As substitute in equation number 2, you got the value of C. So after getting the value of G, F, C, write the general equation of circle or standard equation of circle. So x square plus y square plus 2 into G value is 2. So 2 into 2, 4x, 2 into F. So 2 into F is 3 here, 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now, after getting the equation of circle, you take the 4th point, which you are not touched now, that you substitute in the equation of circle, which you got. If it is satisfying, then you say that the 4th point also satisfies a circle equation. So hence, the 4 points are concyclic. So this is another model of problem which is frequently asked in the examination, right? So one is finding the equation of circle when 3 points are given, and second is finding the equation of circle when 4 points are given, finding the equation of circle and showing that their 4 points are concyclic. If the fourth point is not satisfying the equation of circle, then you can straight away say that the 4 points are not concyclic. So here you see that -2, -8 is satisfying. So that reason you are saying it as concyclic. If the fourth point you did not get answer as equal to 0, it means that the fourth point is not satisfying the equation. So you can say the 4 points are not concyclic. Okay. So if you understood this problem, just practice this. So verify if the points are concyclic. The first 3 problems are similar to what exactly I have taken here. Now the fourth problem here, what is given? If 2, 0, 0, 1, 4, 5, and 0, c are concyclic, then find the value of c. So because these 3 points are known to us, form an equation of circle with these 3 points, right? You get an equation of this kind, equation 7. Then substitute the fourth point. What is the fourth point? 0, c. So when you substitute the fourth point and equate to 0, you get the value of c. Hence the problem is solved. Okay. So these 2 problems which you have taken earlier need to be practiced a lot, and the practice can be done only by solving many number of problems of that kind. So let us take another problem which is similar to this problem here. Find the equation of circumcircle of the triangle formed by the straight lines. What are the straight lines given here? X plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. X plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. So what do you mean by circumcircle of a triangle? If you got a triangle here, all 3 points on the triangle, if all 3 points passes through the circle, or circle passes through all 3 points, if the circle passes through all 3 points, then you say this circle as circumcircle. So you are going to find the equation of this circle. But what is given? These points are not given. A, B, C are not given. So instead of giving A, B, C, you have been given 3 line equations. So AB is given, equation of AB is given, equation of BC is given, equation of AC is given. So what is given? The first equation, x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Second equation, x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Third equation, 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. So you have to solve this. You take any pair first. So you say solving 1 and 2, solving 2 and 3, and solving 3 and 1. So I have done it simultaneously. I explained one by one. So here, the first equation. What is the first equation here? X plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now second equation is x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Because you got same x value here, you can go for subtraction. So I change the sign, plus has become minus, plus has become minus, plus has become minus. So x minus x is 0 here. 3y minus y is 2y, minus 1 is minus 2. So 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2y minus 2 is equal to 0 means the value of y is 2y is equal to 2. Y value is 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. So put the value of y in any of these 2 equations. So I have chosen the equation here, x plus y value is 1. This equation I have chosen, x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. I'm putting x plus 1 is equal to 0. So you get x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 1. Now take second pair, equation 2 and equation 3. So we got equation 3 as 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. But here you got x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So none of the x coefficient, y coefficient and constant terms are same. So what you can do is you can multiply the equation 2 with 2 here. So what you get is 2x, 2y, 2. So instead of simply x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, you are writing it as 2x plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now you see here you got 2x and 2x. Same value. So you change the sign. So once you change the sign here, you get minus 2x, minus 2y, minus 2. So 2x and minus 2x will cancel off. 3y minus 2y is y, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So y plus 2 is equal to 0. So y plus 2 is equal to 0 means the value of y is minus 2. So this value of y, you substitute in either equation 2 or equation 3. So I have substituted in equation 2 here. X plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Y value is minus 2. So x minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So x is equal to 1. Now take the third pair. What is third pair? 3 and 1. So 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. X plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. So x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. In this pair, what you observed, 3y and 3y are same. So simply subtract. When you subtract, the plus has become minus, plus has become minus, and here there was a minus, it has become plus. So 2x minus x is x, 3y will cancel off, 4 plus 1 is 5. So you get the value of x as minus 5. So once you get the value of x as minus 5, you put the value of x is equal to minus 5 in either equation 1 or equation 3. So what you get is minus 5 plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of y is 2. So you got 3 points. The first point, the points of intersection are, first point is minus 2 comma 1. Second point is 1 comma minus 2. Third point is minus 5 comma 2. So you got 3 points. Okay. Now, if you know 3 points, how is it you form an equation of circle? Based on the previous 2 problems, how is it you form the equation of circle? So what to do? So you take a equation of circle as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. What next? What is it you do? Take the first point, minus 2 comma 1, substitute in the equation. So minus 2 whole square plus 1 square plus 2g into minus 2 plus 2f into 1 plus c is equal to 0. So you get 4 plus 1, 5 minus 4g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. This is what is equation number 5. Then you substitute the second point. Second point is 1 comma minus 2. So 1 square plus minus 2 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into minus 2 plus c is equal to 0. Then substitute the third point, minus 5 comma 2. So in place of x, minus 5, in place of y, 2. So 5 minus 5 square is 25 and 2 square is 4. So 25 plus 4 is 29. So 29 minus 10g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. So you got 3 equations in terms of g, f and c. So you need to solve these 3 equations to get the value of g, f, c. So how to solve? It is up to you. How is it you wish to solve? I have taken equation 5 minus equation 6 first. So equation 5 is 5 minus 4g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. Equation 6 is 5 plus 2g minus 4f plus c is equal to 0. So 5 plus 2g minus 2f plus c is equal to 0. Now, what is that you observed in common here? Plus c, same thing. You first try to eliminate c here. So you're gone for subtraction. So plus has become minus, plus has become minus, minus has become plus, plus has become minus. So here 5 minus 5 is nothing, is there, 0. So minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6g. Then 2f plus 2f is 4f. Yeah, equation, see, this is 4. So this term is 4, right? So you get minus 6g plus 6f is equal to 0. So the value of 6g is nothing but 6f. So therefore the value of g is f. Likewise, equation 6 minus equation 5, if you do it, equation 7 minus equation 7 minus equation 6, 7 minus 6. So equation 7 is 29 minus 10g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. Equation 6 is 5 plus 2g minus 4f. Have taken equation 5, equation 7 minus equation 5. So one is substitute, you get the equation number 9. So what is equation number 9 here? 6 minus 3g plus 2f is equal to 0. So equation 8 and equation 9 you got. Equation number 8 is g is equal to f. Equation 9 is 6 minus 3g plus 2f is equal to 0. You need to solve these 2 equations. So if at all you solve these 2 equations, So what is the first equation 9 was? It was G is equal to F. Equation 10 is 6 minus 3G plus 2F is equal to 0. So you solve these two equations, put G is equal to F in the equation 10, 6 minus 3G plus 2G is equal to 0 because G is equal to F. So from that you get the value of G is 6. Because G and F are same, if G is 6, F is also 6. You got the value of G and F. Substitute the value of G and F in equation 5 earlier, which you have taken. You get the value of C as 7. So now you got the value of G, you got the value of F, you got the value of C. So with this, you can form an equation of circle. That circle equation is what is called as circumcircle. So it is x square plus y square. G value is 6, so 2G is 12. F value is 6, 2F is 12, and plus 7 is equal to 0. You can revisit the slides and solve the problems. Okay. Now, find the equation of circumcenter of circle of the triangle form. So this is a practice which is there in the textbook. I just given 3 problems based on the previous method. So we got equation of circle, forming an equation of circle when 3 points are given. Then when 4 points are given, show that the 4 points are concyclic, and find the equation of circumcenter of the circumcircle of the circle when the equations are given. So with these 3 models of problem, almost the entire 7 marks, one of the 7 marks question is covered in the IP examination. Okay, so we go for the another model of problem here. Find the equation of circle passing through the points 2 comma minus 3 minus 4 comma 5 and having the center on the line 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. So what is given in this problem here? Circle is passing through these 2 points and the center is lying on 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. So you got a circle, 2 points are given. Let the equation of circle be. Okay. So you got x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Then substitute the 2 points. You get 2 equations, equation 2 and equation 3. Right? So solve these 2 equations. You get the equation in terms of g and f. Okay. The problem is similar to the earlier model. So instead of 3 points, only 2 points are given here. So the model is similar to the previous one. So just straight away going to the slide here. Next one, what you do is, now very, very important thing is you got center on the line. So what is center of the circle? Minus G minus F, isn't it so? So center lies on the line. So center of circle is minus G minus F, lies on 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. So put G value as minus F and F value as put X value as minus G and Y value as minus F. So you get the value of another equation. Now you got the previous equation. This equation is solved with you get the value of G and F. So just while you are revisiting, just hold it. You get the value of G, you get the value of F, hence the value of C. So equation of circle is given as x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 23 is equal to 0. This model of problem can be asked for a 4 marks question. It's a 4 marks question model in the IP examination. Okay, so what you learned today's class is what is secant, what exactly is chord, and what is diameter, and how to find the equation of circle when the ends of the diameter are given to us, and find the equation of circle in the parametric form, forming an equation of circle when 3 non-collinear points are given to us. Then we have practice some exercise problems on different models. So today's class, you need to be very careful in understanding because a lot of practice is required, right? So I just shared some of the practice questions from the textbook. These questions also you can. Yes, ma'am. Madam, any queries?
Hello. Sanjeev Garu, thank you. You presented the whole session in a beautiful manner. After listening to your mathematics, I am also getting interested on mathematics. You are presenting the most complex topics in a simple matter so that all the students can understand easily. The response is very good from the students. Only few doubts are there, but I will present only one doubt. One girl, Sirisha, she want to have a small explanation regarding the collinear circles.
Okay.
Do we have time?
Yeah. Collinear point, 3 points. Yeah,
Mm.
I'll actually, what I do is I just take a whiteboard and try to explain it. Collinear circles, collinear points. So whenever you got
Okay,
3
continue, sir.
points, whenever you got 3 points, see, what is that you observe? All these 3 points are lying on the same line, isn't it so? If these 3 points are say lying on the same line, you say the points are collinear. If you got 1 point here and second point here and third point here, definitely these 3 points are not collinear. You learned a concept in your 9th class that whenever you got 3 points, non-collinear points, definitely you can draw a circle passing through all these 3 points. When you revisit your 9th class system book, you can get through this. Whenever you got 3 points as non-collinear, we can draw a circle connecting all these 3 points. Sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So there are no more doubts. Some students asked about certain explanation of certain mathematical problems, but it is not possible to do that now here. Dear students, for today we conclude the session. We are thankful to both the presenters. They presented the subject in a beautiful manner. Tomorrow you all join with us at 10:30 a.m. so that we can have 2 more sessions. Every day for this week we'll have 2 sessions per day. We are requesting the officials to permit us for 3 sessions so that we can present more subject on a daily basis. Thank you all the principals and teachers. And appreciation to the model school webinar team who are behind the screens are doing the wonderful job of bringing various lessons and sessions to the doorsteps of the students. As we informed earlier, commerce and botany classes will commence from 8th July. In the meanwhile, you all please stay home, stay safe. We will bring all the knowledge from the world of various subjects to your doorsteps so that you can learn it. Thank you, sir. Thank you once again for your beautiful explanation of regarding the circles. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Manjari madam.